Why does that one song always lift your spirits? Let's dive into the science behind it. When you listen to music, your brain lights up like a festival. It taps into the auditory cortex, limbic system, and prefrontal cortex. Basically, it's a full brain party. This party releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. That's why your mood can skyrocket with the right track. Different music genres have different superpowers. Classical tunes, they can boost your memory and focus. Pumped up beats, they give you energy and lift your spirits. Even sad songs have a role. They help you process emotions. And relaxing music, it's perfect for chilling out and reducing stress. Our reactions to music are shaped by our culture and experiences, making each tune a unique emotional journey. So, create those playlists for studying, working out, or unwinding. Remember, music isn't just sound, it's a powerful tool for your mental health. Next time you hit play, notice how it makes you feel and ride that wave.